Alright peeps, welcome back. Today is day 2 and my engine swap in the Corolla here, my Motorsport project car. So right now I'm at Varsity garage once more. So yesterday we took out the engine. Today we're working on the gearbox because I damaged the second gear in the gearbox. So we're gonna pull it apart now to see if it's just a second gear that is damaged or anything else in the gearbox that is damaged. So hopefully we can get that sorted out today and mount the engine in the car. So come on, let's go. Come on, as you can see peeps, the engine is out. Come on, the engine is out. So let's take a look at the gearbox to see what's happened. We'll pull it apart from the 5A. So let's take a look at the gearbox.
Yes, not is it there.
Alright peeps, so as you can see the second gear, I damaged some of the teeth and the second gear is missing, so that's the reason why we have to pull apart this gearbox so that we can change the shaft and also the second gear, as you can see right here. Yeah man, so hence why we pull the box apart. So we are gonna replace those, and then the box is ready again for install. So this is the box that I'm gonna mount to. This is the box that I'm gonna mount to the 2ZZ right here, and this box is a 4AGE gearbox. Yeah man, I don't know, I'll get it right, you know. Yeah man, so I damaged the second gear. Alright peeps, so we found the problem. It's only the second gear and the shaft that is damaged. This is the second gear. As you can see, some of the teeth on the gear are missing, so this one is going to be taken out. Yeah peeps, so we just put the gearbox back together. So this is the shaft. This is the shaft that was in it. As you can see, the second gear is damaged. Two of the teeth missing. Also, well, this is the gear that go on the shaft. So the second gear work alongside this that is damaged. So as you can see, where the teeth are missing. I don't know, I have to big up Bossy the second, which is Marlon.
Yeah, they are going to do badness on the box, yeah?
Yeah man, so
yeah. So I put the back together.
Yeah man, so we're putting the gearbox back together. Man, we have to big up Bossy the second, you know. Don't know, Marlon. Or gearbox.
Yeah,
running.
Gearbox started to check me, huh?
Yeah man, just check Marlon man.
Yeah man, one settings.
Oh, go on, Mr. Roddy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, my virgin come. Look what go on. Everything good?
Yeah, go and take it easy, man.
Yeah, man, I soon can square off, you know, man.
Come here, man. Oh, God.
So you look so far, Mr. Roddy?
Look good, man.
Yes,
Pass me a pass, and I say, boy, I can look and see what I go on.
Yeah.
When are you ready? When I win we are ready.
Like you have something for say clean.
Just put in man and we see what can go on.
Alright,
We don't know what going on yet still, you don't know. You have to go and get your funds together, you know, because you don't know you can't have to wire. And you have to modify exhaust system.
Okay.
Yeah man, it's a K-head as well buy now.
Okay, I know for that you get more free flow. That nice one. Nice.
No.
So we got management too.
Yeah, well, I'm going to run stop brain for now. Yeah. So we just sort out the gearbox because it had some problems. As I can.
I see M6 forward.
Yeah man, as I can see here, the second gear the damage.
Backside.
So we have to change the shaft and everything.
Destroyed.
Yeah man, destroyed.
Yeah man, destroyed.
Not damaged, destroyed.
Yeah man. Suppose so not. After them gear them
soft,
easy damage.
Yeah man.
nice.
Yeah man, peeps, so I don't know. Even my son is here supporting me right here. What going on, my son?
Good. Subscribe to Motorsportja.
I mean, touch it. Yeah man, that's my little son right here.
Yeah, man.
Coming to support his dad and his engine swap. So we're just getting the gearbox back together, peeps, so we can mount it to the engine and install it. Hopefully everything will go smooth. That one. What you say? What you ready? We can square off.
We're not ready, man.
Alright, my boss. Yeah, man. That's one of my friends. 4E. Wow. Yo, peeps, that's a machine. Yeah, man. Have a little vibe, you know? Alright, peeps, so unfortunately the engine is not in the car as yet because we're still working on the gearbox. It took us a little time because when we pull up the gearbox we found out that we damaged second gear and we had to run and get the parts and stuff to sort it out. So the engine is not in as yet because we want to mount the gearbox and the engine, then put the engine in with the gearbox. Yeah man, so I'm gonna close out the vlog today. So continue to support Motorsportja YouTube channel, peeps, and follow up on my build. Okay, so stay tuned for the next upload. We're out. Alright, so welcome back, peeps. So yesterday episode we took apart the gearbox. The second gear was damaged in the gearbox when we took it apart. Nothing else was damaged in the gearbox, so most of yesterday was spent working on the gearbox, sourcing parts and other stuff. So today I'm going to mount the gearbox to the engine so we can do the installation of the engine today. Alright, so Marlon is here mounting the clutch and pressure plate, bolt on the flywheel already. So now this is the gearbox fully assembled. Yeah man, don't know. Have one of my good friend right here, Mark, helping with the gearbox also. Don't know where I fit up. So I'm gonna put the engine inside. Sort out those wires. Remove what we are not going to use back.
Push it close. The clutch and work. I'm a virgin, you know, virgin to be, you know.
What is it?
You want some riding. A virgin, you know, want to go on the Z, you know.
You know, go on the Z.
He used the 91.
No, he used the 5A.
5A, yeah. He used the 5A. Catch one, I say catch one more. Use.
Yeah man peeps, so the gearbox is now mounted to the engine. We're just ensuring that it is mounted properly. So Marlon is tightening that. Tap it, man. Alright peeps, so this bracket is for one of the mounts to go on the gearbox, but because it's a different engine, we have to splice out a little piece of it, so that's what I'm doing right now. Right now peeps, I'm using an AXA. I'm so tired, so my brethren say I'm get a cut off of it, so I don't know. I will put him on the case. I will say cheers.
One the right or one.
Yeah man, put him on it.
Make sure it's head up and running.
Yeah man, put him on the case, you know? Yeah man, we make use of what we have, you understand? Because we don't have no, where you sitting here Marlon?
Chop saw.
Yeah, we don't have a chop saw at the moment, and the person that we did have borrow a chop saw from is not there, so we have a rubby AXA. Yeah man, the rubby AXA, you see me? Yeah man, chase, I get it done. Done now. Alright, so yeah peeps, so this is it. Yeah man, this is it. So it's gonna go right here.
Yeah, it's good eye, so boom.
Yeah man, it's gonna go right here. So had to slot out a piece of it because it was touching. It was touching. Yeah man, so we're gonna get it bolted up now.
Go on. Change the ball, slide, you know.
That's a man for. What about sugar rock? Yeah man, we have a lot of support.
The plug-in is supposed to be on red or...
Yeah man.
And the plug-in.
Yeah man. Only for people go and check in the season that go in our machine, you know.
I'll tell them myself.
Yeah.
Right, there's a... Yeah, one in there.
You tape something already? One dropping one. Basically, in the way at the same time, you know?
Just put up in there.
But okay, come on, make a start out this. Repair. Oh, sugar ranks. Yeah, man, see how well there, man. Sugar ranks.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, anytime come on to heat welding. Yeah, man, all of them sitting up on the Z, man. I him do it, man.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay, I find a sugar.
Yeah, man.
Bargains Plaza. Up top.
Yeah, man, show what
So
the
you
young
go,
man, man.
You see me? 2861769.
So long for your fans, man. So long for your fans, man.
Yeah man. Hose and anything. Steel braiding line, anything. You see me?
Yeah, man. So long the number for your fans, man.
2861769.
Yeah, man. People
Right,
don't know. Check him out. Boss, go look on his head that going down.
Where's it, Darren? Chopping into there, yeah?
I mean, I'm putting it into them.
Alright. So, all the laughing game over, you know.
No more 16.
Laugh off, you know, more.
Mad.
No, 60.
I'll be happy to just miss no gear.
Nah, miss no gear.
You understand?
I want to go dragon.
Actually, I'm sure I drink a next dragon and easy. You guys broke these days, man.
What was that chase? Niggas broke these days, man.
Comedian, you know. You know, someone I get now. Comedian that.
Yo, Peeps, bossy, they just drink a beer like it's nice, you know? Yeah, man. So we're just going a vibe, getting the engine mounted to the car. I don't know. Yeah, man, Peeps. So today is the day. Yeah, man. Today is the day. Yeah, man. So happy, you know? Don't know. Yeah, man. 2ZZ in the sky.
Slide it. No, yeah, jack it up to one.
Heart transplant.
I think you want to go back over some more, so you come back too much.
But,
You want to go back over some.
yeah, man. Pull up.
You do what? Twitching. That's
You don't have nothing to go do. You don't have nothing to go do.
All this out. Clear this out. More or less. Everything. Yes. Move up. Clear remote down there first.
I want to go back over this.
Take time, come down, Trace.
Yeah, man.
What the in front, man? Met up.
All the front way.
All of this are from here. Pull out the light.
It was under it was the man.
You know, so much I take out the holes off, I can go use back my land. I got you know, take off. Take off.
And 19 inch. Eh?
Yeah, we over there. 90Z can't hold in there.
What is it?
90Z can't hold in there.
Yo, Z can't hold in there, man.
Yeah, man, I'm not sure if I
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and this is good one.
Alright, hold on. Carry front to you. That time come down with it.
Hold on. Alright, come on. Yeah.
Well,
I want to catch you back more, bro.
yeah, that's what you want.
Where boat come out there? You know that?
Give him back, he catch it.
Hold on, you got it.
Give him back, he catch it.
It's 2.5.
2.5.
Yeah, more
Come
like
on,
it.
someone.
No, this is like it down.
Come on, can I get
Well, it is. You want to cheat, you like.
You want to come in, look at it.
Go on, man, look at you. Go on, man. I will see about the go back in there.
Yeah, friend is.
Ah, what is it? Hold on, let's eat it. You got it,
Yeah, man, you're using it.
Wait a minute.
No, again. Look if you're not in there.
Yeah, peeps, so guess what? The engine is now in. Yo, me happy. Yo, I show tears walk on my eyes right now. Honestly, man, I tell you. Yo, me just happy to see this day. Yeah, man. Where's it? Where's the Mark?
Happy?
Hey, bro.
Welcome to the club, brother.
Welcome to the club. Welcome, Alan.
Yes, man. Happy deal with you.
Yeah, man.
Back.
So you have a little celebrity passing through. What about me, General?
Yeah, man, the man happy, man. Happy, man. Work in progress. Work in progress. I happy. Tears of joy.
Yeah, man.
That's what they say.
If you want to watch it, don't know you, but they know who to talk with them, man.
Michael Hyper, Vibes FM, Westmoreland's finest.
Alright, my G. Big up yourself, though.
Every time.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna get you a ZZ for your car, you know.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man. So we're just catching up the mounts and thing. We don't put up the subframe as yet. So I'm gonna put up the subframe. And then we're gonna have to build a bracket. We're gonna have to build a bracket so that this side of mount can work. Yeah, man. So I will show you all of that when we customize the bracket for here. Yeah, but the engine is in. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. Alright, if you're not happy for me, just drop some likes on the video. Yeah, man. Just support Motorsport.ja YouTube channel. You see? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. So watch. Yo, peeps, the engine is now in and seated. Neat and nice. So right now, as I'm saying, this is the mount that we're gonna have to modify. The engine is solid, but this mount, we have to customize this mount first. Yeah, man. So this is what we going to do next. Yeah, man. Where you go, Footer?
Come get a reading. You know what you take a run? 18. Oh.
Yeah, man. This is one of my friends also, Footer Hype. You don't know, come for support the engine swap. Yeah, man.
Thank you for taking the time. 18. Oh.
Boy,
What is that, man?
boy, I want to lick, man. Boy, I want to lick.
Yo, peeps, so this is just the vibe right now.
I want to give my man, I'm going to make him a
You know,
chance.
this is just the vibe right now. Getting the engine swap done and thing. We're just holding a vibe. Messing around and thing. Yeah, man. Big up Marlon. You see me? Yeah, man.
Second.
Bossy the second, you know? Marlon. Oh, you got me general. One more, I'm a supporter them see you, know, man. Everyone tune in to Motorsport.ja, you know, man. Yeah, man. Big up everybody will subscribe, everybody will tune in, you see me? Yeah, man. Big up my general Aaron from overseas there. Yeah, man. You know, yeah, watch what I go, you know. You don't know. We have to big up John see you, yeah.
Hey,
yeah, man. Big up Dean.
And people
Yeah, man.
Here.
Yeah, man, big up my G Michael for the bad Madza from Portland. Yeah, man, real general, man. I don't know. Yeah, man, big up all of my fans, them, man. You see me? Big up Flatty Society Group, see you, yeah? Yeah, man, Uncle Virgo, big up yourself. Real general.
Bro, that you say you know
What you say? Proud of me?
you know go care, cause you know wave your mind one time, you know.
What you say?
The pro that you say you know go care, cause he was waving your mind.
So the engine is now in and I'm loving the look. Yeah man, Bossy D and Marlon and I did a good work. Yeah man, so yeah man, take a look at it. Yeah man, looking so sweet.
How that sure? I'm good that sure because it don't eat in the camera.
Yeah man, Marlon, love your work bro.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself. What the sport.
Yeah man. How you go Bossy D?
Yeah,
How you go? How you say how we look?
Looking good, man.
Yeah man, you're looking
Looking
good.
lovely, you know.
Yeah man. How you go bro? You love your work?
Yeah man, me happy for you, you know.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, another one born as a Bossy D say.
Yeah.
Alright, so I say alright.
Yeah man. Yo peeps. Alright peeps, so the engine is now in. Yeah man. Thanks to God, you know. Yeah man. Wanna big up my fans them same way. Thanks for your continuous support. Just click the like button, watch the ads. I don't know. You hear me I say now. So the engine is now in. I'm gonna draw the car back to my house until I can get the car wired. So you will see some videos on that when that time comes, right? So yeah man, that's it for this episode.
Motorsport JA.